Hi, very good afternoon. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in RR Nagar, that is BEML 4th stage, just walkable from RR Nagar police station, and you have Best Club, just walkable distance, that is 190 meters from RR Nagar police station and 190 meters from Best Club. So very peaceful locality. There's a beautiful ultra luxury G+3 house for sale, which is 5 BHK independent luxury bungalow for sale. It is east facing with a wide road of 40 feet and above. It is a very wide road. Just walkable distance. You have RR Nagar police station, bus stop, then post office. So this is the surroundings. So built up area is 5400 square feet. It is east facing. From here till here it is 30 feet and depth is 45. So 1350 square feet land area and 5400 square feet built up area. So ground floor you have almost 4 to 5 car parking, then plus one bedroom for guest house or office room it can be used. Then first floor you have living area, kitchen, puja room, then dining area, utility area with kitchen. Then second floor you have two bedrooms, that is master bedrooms with attached washrooms and one balcony. And third floor you have one home theater and one bedroom with attached balcony and attached washroom. And fourth floor you have washing and laundry and aerobics and yoga area. So very beautifully planned, east facing with all high-end materials used. So it is G+3. Then on terrace you have Mangalore roofing. Very beautiful surrounding and very peaceful. So let's go inside and have a look. So it is SS railing, SS gate, very beautifully made. You have Fundamax design and glass, openable gate. So this is parking area. Easily 4 cars can be parked. So here you have sump and here you have borewell, and this side you have Kaveri connection, Kaveri meter. For gas you can keep storage here. So here you have lift. So it is 5% lift. So this is ground floor where you have it is office area or guest room or one bedroom with attached washroom. It is fully furnished. And here you have dressing area and washroom. So washroom fittings will be Jaguar, Hindware and all high-end fittings. So here you have with cot and TV cabinets and wardrobes. So it is almost fully furnished kind, as you have cot as well. So on the ground floor it is a good advantage that you have a bedroom for guest room or you can use it for office area. So total teak work. So let's go to first floor. So this total parking area, you can see gate. This is all granite, and inside you can see Italian marble. Total Italian marble is being used, and windows, doors, and all is total teak wood. So let's go first to first floor and have a look. So this side and all setback is being left. You can see setback. So total wall cladding is with Italian marble. And you have railings with SS and toughened glass. So totally it is 5 BHK. So down we have seen 1 BHK. From here you have 4 BHK triplex bungalow. Very beautiful door has been done. You can see total teak wood. So this is living area. So this will be living area. Then you have lift, then puja room, then one bedroom with attached washroom. This is dining area. Then you have kitchen with utility area. So this will be first floor. Ground floor we have seen one bedroom. So this will be second bedroom. So this is the living area, you can see. This side you have a TV cabinet. Very beautifully crafted. Very rich feeling you get. And based on the location as well, it is very good, peaceful society. And this is puja room. And here you have lift, that is 5 passengers lift. Even here you have good ventilation, all round setback is being left. So this is dining area, and you have sunroofing directly from top. You can see sunroofing. And here you have small storage spaces, and this side even you have a small library area or a storage space cupboard. So this is the kitchen. So all Jaguar fittings will be done. Total cupboards you have. Even here you have cupboards. all similar. You can see this very beautiful concept. You can save space and full space is utilized. Very beautiful. So very good class work has been done. So this side you have utility area. So this is dining area. This will be dining area. And here you have one bedroom. So this will be second bedroom on first floor, as we have seen first bedroom on ground floor. So it is fully furnished. There is cot and full interiors, POP ceiling work has been done, and you have attached washroom with TV cabinet. This side you have dressing room and attached washroom. So this is cot. You have under storage space as well for this. Wardrobes and good ventilation. Even from this side you have windows, and even here you have windows. This is TV cabinet. So door opens fully, like full door gets open. This is dressing area, and this is the washroom. So all the fittings, as I told, it will be Jaguar, Hindware and Sera, all top end fittings. So this will be second bedroom on first floor. So first floor quick view. Living area, then lift, puja room, then one bedroom, dining area, kitchen plus utility area. So this will be second bedroom with attached washroom and TV cabinet. First bedroom we have seen in ground floor. So let's go to second floor. You can see total teak work, SS and SS railing, toughened glasses, and total Italian marble has been used. So this is second floor. You have two bedrooms here. So here you have one bedroom with attached washroom, and here you have bedroom with attached washroom and attached balcony. So if you take, this will be third bedroom, fourth bedroom. So let's look at third bedroom. So this is third bedroom, very beautifully designed. You can see interior work has been done, very classic work. Here you have wardrobes. So this is the cot. So this is second floor, third bedroom, TV cabinet area. You have good ventilation. Both sides you have windows. Then this is dressing area. And this is washroom. So still fittings has to be done. It will be of high-end materials itself, like Jaguar, Hindware and Sera. So we are in second floor, third bedroom. So let's go to the fourth bedroom. So this bedroom is having attached washroom as well. So here you have cot, TV cabinet, then wardrobes, beautiful interiors. Then there you have a washroom plus dressing area, and here you have balcony. So this is dressing area. Even here you have storage space. And here you have attached washroom. So this is second floor, fourth bedroom. With attached washroom and balcony. So this is balcony. You can see the locality. It is very peaceful and wide roads. You can see even if car is being parked after the footpath, there is a good space, as it's just walkable from RR Nagar police station. You can see setbacks, totally it is been given. So this is the second floor, fourth bedroom. Here you have lift. So quick view of second floor, third bedroom, fourth bedroom with attached washroom and balcony, lift. Then here you can make a small sit out area, anything. So let's go to third floor. So this is third floor. So here you have home theater, and this side same bedroom with attached washroom and attached balcony. That is fifth bedroom. As we have seen second floor, third and fourth bedroom, this will be fifth bedroom, and this is home theater. If you convert this also as a bedroom, then it becomes sixth bedroom, and here you have lift area. Same as the fourth bedroom. There is interior changes, TV cabinet area. This is balcony. And here you have dressing area and attached washroom. So this is fifth bedroom. We have completed all 5 bedrooms now. So even here you have open balcony, a huge open balcony, wide. You can see locality from here. So here you have lift. We are on third floor. Fifth bedroom we have visited. This is home theater. This will be as it is. If you want, you can pay them extra and get it done, or else design as per your requirement. You can make this as a bedroom or guest room or home theater. It is up to you. So it will be same as the bare shell. So quick view of third floor. Bedroom with attached washroom and attached balcony, lift, home theater area. So let's go to terrace and have a look. So this is sunroofing. So direct sun rays, and this is way to terrace. So this is terrace, which is fourth floor. Here you have aerobics and yoga area based on your requirement. And this side you have washing area and laundry and washing area. So this can be used as a laundry. So as per my this, you can use as a gym area as well. So can be used as gym area, laundry, and this is washing area you can use. It is up to you. So he's left it as his design. It is a laundry and washing area, and this is way to terrace this tank rooms. So you have Mangalore roofing. It is lush greeneries in surrounding, and height of this parafoot wall is very good. So it is very safer to stand. CNC cutting. And this side you have lift room. This easily can be used for small parties, this area, as they have planned for aerobics and yoga area. Here you can place trees, small plants, sorry. From here you can see down. Okay. As this is a washing area, and you have laundry area here, or gym room. You can call it as a gym room, laundry area, based on your requirement. So let's go to tank area. So you have tanks, and this is sunroofing which is being done. So this side you have Mangalore roofing, and this side you have main road. You can see here you can utilize this area also. It is very closer to main roads and closer to RR Nagar police station, post office, bus stop. So talking about this building, it is in RR Nagar, BEML, 4th stage, 3rd block, 1350, that is 1,350 square feet, east facing, with G+3 5 BHK bungalow and home theater, laundry area and washing area, or else gym area, then aerobics and yoga area, and road width is almost 40 feet and above, And surrounding, you can see it is very peaceful surroundings. And built up area is 5400 square feet with lift. You have lift, G+3, 5 BHK or plus home theater. As ground floor you can use as guest room or office area. So for more details you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.